Hello everyone, welcome to Ravi's Academy. From today's lecture, you will be learning the differences between first angle and third angle projections. Here, let us consider the four quadrants, and in four quadrants are defined in such a way that it is intersection of horizontal plane. A plane parallel to the ground is called horizontal plane, and a plane perpendicular to ground is called vertical plane. And in front of VP, above HP is first quadrant. Behind VP, above HP is second quadrant. It's given as number 2. And behind VP and below HP is a third quadrant. And in front of VP and below HP is fourth quadrant. You can see that numbers are given 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the four quadrants of the direction of the view is indicated with X. Let us see. And in order to understand the first angle projection and third angle projections, I have considered the first quadrant, the object if it is located in first quadrant, that is first angle projection, and if the object is located in third quadrant, and that is third angle projection. Now let us understand very clearly the differences between these two. The very first point is you have to understand that the object is located in first quadrant. I am writing object in first quadrant, and the other side the object is located in third quadrant. This is the first point you have to understand. And second point is, let us see here in first quadrant the object, you can visualize a frustum of the cone is considered as our object, and this is the direction of the view. And the planes here, horizontal and vertical plane, the planes need not be transparent. It is called planes are opaque. Planes are opaque. And the other side, as you see, it is behind VP and it is below VP and behind HP. So behind HP and below VP, it is now this object, you can see that it is not visible. Whenever it is visible, you have to ensure that your planes are transparent. The planes are transparent. So this is your second point you have to understand. And third point, this is regarding the symbol of rotation. Here you can see the symbol for the first angle projection is, observe carefully, here you have a frustum of the cone. In order to see the object completely, that means two concentric circles, the object is located in front of VP, and you can see on the plane two concentric circles. That means you can see that the two concentric circles are located near to the larger diameter. So that is the reference. Now you can draw the object, right? You can draw the object, and it is this is the object, and here the larger side. If you indicate that two concentric circles, this is your symbol for the first angle projection, and you can see that here the two concentric circles, the plane, this is nothing but your plane, and the other side you can see, you can draw the object, that is your frustum of the cone, and here the concentric circles are towards a smaller diameter, so you can draw two concentric circles like this. So this is the difference between these two symbols, and you can easily remember the planes. Concentric circles is the reference planes, and this is the direction of the view for the observer, whereas this is the direction of the view for the observer. And the last point you have to understand, it is the layout of the views. I am just drawing the layout of the views. Let us consider xy the reference plane. Here above xy is the front view. I am writing it as F, and below that it is top view. I am mentioning it as T, and to the right of it you have left side view. I am calling it as LS, and left of it is right side view. The other side you can see, the fourth point is xy is the reference line, and your front view is below xy, and above is your top view, and to the right of it is the right side view, and to the left of it is your left side view. So these are the important differences between the first angle and the third angle projection. I hope you understood very clearly the differences between first angle and third angle projection.